Do you know what it takes to have a small business, especially a remote income business? Then stay tuned. That's what this is all about. If you are over 50 and you are looking for some kind of business to either supplement what you're doing now, maybe move into a new business, have that extra income to add on to what you've got going in life, then this is the place to be. Hey, I'm Jerome in Boise, Idaho. I am a business startup coach. That's what I focus on. Why should you listen to me? Well, I have built over the years by myself or sometimes with partners, three multi-million dollar business. So I know a little bit about business building. And the last few years, what I've done is I've moved to online income. By the way, if this is something that helps you, if this can serve you, please subscribe. I would so appreciate that. It really is true that as people subscribe, it shares this with more people. So you can literally help yourself and many others by subscribing. Also would love your comments. So let's get started. And by the way, stay to the end. I have a really special gift, a special tool for you at the end that I want to share with you. It's going to be very, very helpful. It's actually my first chapter that you can download on my new book. It's a planner on starting a business, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. Let's go over the 7 steps on getting a business started. And I think, no matter what your age, but especially when you're over 50, you need to be thinking about how can I add more to my life? How can I get more done? How can I travel more? How can I help the kids? How can I help the grandkids? How can I make life a little bit easier? And the way to do that is to have an outside remote income. So let's talk about those steps. Number 1 is, what kind of problem do you want to solve? That's it. Because people will pay you when you help them go from A to B a little more quickly. So number 1 is the problem. Hope you grabbed a notebook, grabbed your phone, put these in there. By the way, like I said, I'm going to give you the first chapter of my new book, The Planner. There's my lovely wife on the back. I'm going to send you the first chapter. So down below, put planner in the comments, and I will send you the first chapter. I'll get that for you. I'll get a link for you. So number 1, most important, every business in the world solves some kind of problem. And by the way, a little bonus here for you. The best place to start is either help with somebody's health, with wealth, or with relationships. Those 3 things drive all of us all the time. And I have a video, I'll put it up here, or up here I'll have the link for you, on my 3 R's. Focusing on income. That's number 1 is remote. Number 2, it's reliable. And number 3, it's recurring. So those are the 3 things you want to think about as you put your plan together. So number 1 is solving some kind of problem. Number 2, what is your solution? How does it help them? Is it online? Is it offline? Is it retail? How do you help somebody solve that problem? And let me tell you, with 4 billion people on YouTube, there's going to be thousands or tens of thousands of people or more that want your solution for whatever it is. Whether it's from making beautiful glass lamps, to gardening, to taking care of pets, to inspirational help, to coaching, to pickleball, to cooking. People are looking for help, and they're looking for a guide along the way. And that is most likely you. Number 3, what's your business model? Real simple. Is it going to be all online? Is it going to be a retail store? Is it going to be a combination of both? What is your business model going to look like? That's really, really important as you think through your process on building an income. And number four is your marketing plan. How do you plan to make yourself more findable? That is so key. Instead of going out and reaching out to other people on a one-on-one basis, think about ways to help you become more findable. So if people are looking for a solution for their problem, whatever it is, they want to get better at playing cards. They want to cook better. They want to be a better listener. They want to be a better husband, a better wife, a better team member. You may have a solution to help people from all those things that you've done in your life. So how are you going to bring that to people? That is your marketing plan. The key there is making yourself more findable. Number 5, your culture. What is your culture? Your culture is actually you and how you help people, how you reach out to people, how you treat people, how you hold yourself accountable, how you hold them accountable. This last few weeks, I've had lots of people reach out through these videos here on YouTube for coaching, for help on what they are doing. And what's really surprising to me is that not only do people want help and direction on what they're building, what they want to do, but they're also asking me to help them with accountability. That's really interesting because we all need a little extra discipline. We all need a little bit of staying focused. And I've learned that the hard way. Let me tell you, I have been one of those people that loves shiny objects all my life. And it's only the last couple years that I've learned how to narrow down, focus a little bit, and make sure that I help people with what they want to do, with what they want to create. So your culture is all about you. And you may be the entire team. You may have other people that help you, not necessarily employees, but there's so much help these days with virtual assistants around the world. And so they're going to take all their cues from you. And that's why having a culture is so important. And I've got a whole chapter in my planner focused on culture and how to build that. Number 6, we've talked about this a little bit already, and that is your team. Now, typically most people that I coach have a one-person business that they can automate. We want to turn it into an evergreen product that people can buy 24/7. So maybe not at first, but in the beginning, it might be just you, and it might be coaching, it might be helping, it might be advising. It might be little videos you do, very easy, very simple to do. But eventually, as your business gets busier, you're going to want some help. And that is who your team might be. Not just maybe a virtual assistant, but maybe the financial help, the CPA that you have, part-time help maybe from home or somebody else. Your team is going to be really, really important. And again, I have a whole chapter on that in my planner. And number 7 is your financial plan. You may have $30. You may have $300. You might have $3,000. You might have $30,000 to start a business. No matter how little you have, you can start with a business from home, a remote income from home. And I tell everybody about the famous Teddy Roosevelt quote that you want to do what you can with what you have where you are. We all know the great stories of everybody from Steve Jobs to Martin Luther King, starting with zero. Starting with zero. You don't need much. You need very, very little. If you have a phone like this, you can get started. Down below, I have a free link to system.io, which is a complete marketing platform. It's also fantastic when it comes to email marketing campaigns, all that kind of thing. You can get started for free. If you got a phone, in fact, I'm doing this on my phone right now. I'm recording this on my phone. And you need very, very little. But you do need something. Even if you have no money, your financial plan may be your time, may be your attention. So I built this wraparound porch, by the way, a couple of years ago, and I didn't know there would be so many birds that were attracted to it. I'll just tilt this back a little bit so you can look up and see that wraparound porch that I built. Anyway, lots of birds. So your financial plan can be very, very simple. And we do need to consider that as we move forward. So there we have it, the 7 steps. The 7 steps. Number 1, defining the problem that you want to solve and help other people. Number 2 is the solution that you want to share, how you're going to help those folks. Number 3 is your business model. And I have in my book about 13, 14 different business models that people typically follow for a business. Most of us in today's world, and I'm going to coach you on this, use some kind of very simple platform to get your coaching, to get your help out to others. Number 4 is your marketing plan, how you intend to make yourself more findable. Number 5, your culture, how you want to be, how you want to come across to the rest of the world. Number 6, what kind of team you might have. It might be you, and as your business grows, you're going to need some help. So we're going to help you with that. And number 7, your finance plan. What a little bit of funds you want to bring to get a business started. You need very, very little. You can actually start really for free in the beginning. So I have for you, because you stuck with me, thank you. I have chapter 1. Just put planner in the comments. I will send you chapter 1 of my how-to planner right here. I'm going to send you chapter 1, and that's just for you because you were here. So put planner down in the comments so I know you want that. And then also I'll have a link down below as well. So thank you for being here. Please subscribe, leave your comments. Remember that having a business of your own is the only true path to wealth. I don't care whether you... Hey, Bailey, stop. I got a dog here too. So anyway, having a business of your own is the only true way to wealth. And whether you want just another $2,000 or $3,000 a month, or more like $10,000 to $15,000 to $20,000 a month, that can help you. There are ways to do it. Millions of people are doing it. You can do it too. Thanks for being here. I'll also put down below my free school where I help people with free coaching. Down below a link for that as well. Be well. I'll see you on the next one. I have a very simple little coaching program available to you as well, just to get started. It's down below. There's a link there, and I'll see you on the inside.